So hello friends, so today we are going to play Animal Hospital as a nurse class. So we are going to 1 shift to 3 shift as nurse class. So let's start our video. So let's get into the chamber and we decline the doctor dialogues. So let's get in the video. So okay, our shift has been started. So first let's take the coffee. Oh, what just happened? Anyway, let's just take the coffee and drink it. So our first customer is here, Daisy. So I want to check in his patient. Okay. So stamp it, take photo, register, print pass and take it and give it to him. So now our first mission, I don't mean first mission, our first task has been completed. So we need first maple syrup and herbs and eye drop. So okay, now the second customer is coming. Until I will treat these customers. Okay, DNA sample, analyze the sample, and now let's go here. We are doing tasks very fastly because I want to finish this video fast. So okay, our everything is done. Now let's get into the video. Okay, now we need to give him hubs. You can see because he always take the hubs. And the second people, okay, it's not today. Now the second people need eye drops. So first let's treat him. Okay, and guys, I will do next a comment which class should I do. So okay, I will first get him eye drops and complete our shift done. So okay, our shift has been complete. Am I right? Okay, yes, our shift report has been come. 200 and excellent, and the best is me because I am in the game, no one other. So okay, let's get it. One camera on. First let me fix the camera first. Okay, here go. Codes. Our name is on here, real code. So you can see I just changed my username. So I need to processor. I did not notice that is head. Okay, so this is out of transfers. See, you can see his anomaly here. He is also an anomaly. Yes, he have a dark eyes. Yes, you can. He is a pure anomaly. Pure. Okay, bye. Bye bye. Be angry. Because the lights are freaking. I'm scared. So let's take our coffee. My name is Tony Button. Button name. I'm here for my appointment. Okay, let's do basics. Okay, here's print pass. Now we need to do tasks very fastly. So okay, and also I will take a challenge of no coffee challenge. Shift 1 to shift 3. So, okay, now we are doing very well. Let's take this. I don't know what he will ask for, but I am taking this medicine. Okay, let's get it, analyze and open the store. And now ask for this customer. He is waiting for a while. He is an anomaly. Nope, he is not an anomaly. So we can treat him. Register, print badge and complete our task. Take. I meant talk. So okay, come until I treat him. Okay, what you need? I think what you need? You need two things: medicine and thermo. I think yes, these are all same here. You can see the medicine and thermo are same here. So okay, let's get him. So our task has been finished. Now this. Oh, take this microscope. I did not notice him. So okay. Oh wow, you are not cute. So okay, our task is very willing. And okay, we need eye drops. First let's take this and eye drop. Okay, now we don't need to do anything, we will go. So now let's treat our last customer, I think so. Okay, I am just going to close the shutters. We are doing very well. Oh, what just happened? I did not do anything. Okay. I will not cut the scene. So I got room 4, come fast. Okay, I think so. Now nobody, how long until they come with me? I don't know what are you talking about. And no customer are coming. Our real code. Okay, bye. Now let's do our work. No customer are coming. Let's check. Yes, there is only one. So okay, let's go. I will take a bandage. It can be also the ordinary, but I will take the bandage. Okay, I can't spell that word, so I will say onion. So okay, let's go. Onion. Oh no, what in it? Bruh. For my luck. So let's. Now we did not need anything this because our video is now end. Okay, that's all. Here is the open. So and we get 301. What is this prevented? Anyway, whatever. Let's buy this. Anyway, why we are playing, our game is ending. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.